Okay guys, I'm sorry I'm not here, but I'm going to put up your warm-up and we're going to go ahead with today's lesson. We'll go over your test next class. We're starting with simplifying radicals today. So the first one's going to be the square root of 5 plus 3 times the square root of 5 minus 2 times the square root of 5. And the second one is 2 square root of x plus 5 square root of x. Number 3, the square root of 8 times the square root of 10. Number 4, the square root of 32 plus 5 times the square root of 2. And the last one, the cube root of 128. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes to work on these and then we'll go over them. Okay, let's take a look. For the first one, we had the square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5. And you're looking that all of them had the same square root. You can think about this as x plus 3x minus 2x and treat it the exact same way. Since they all have it in common, this is a 1 square root of 5, so 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, so the answer is 2 square root of 5. For the second one, you had 2 square root of x plus 5 square root of x. Same thing. This is 2 square roots of x, this is 5 square roots of x, so that's a total of 7 square roots of x. The third one was the square root of 8 times the square root of 10. And when you're multiplying radicals, you can multiply what's on the inside. So 8 times 10 is 80, and that's going to be the square root of 80. However, we need to simplify our radicals. So I'm sure you all remember doing factor trees. Pick 2 factors of 80. I'm going to go with 8 and 10, and then just continue the factoring. So 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. 10 is 2 times 5. And then because we're taking square roots, we're looking for groups of 2. So here's 2 2's, and there's 2 2's. So that means a 2 gets out, another 2 gets out, and a 5 is left in. And when you're simplifying radicals, it's all multiplication. So this is 4 square root of 5. If you were lucky and you thought of the factors 16 times 5, then you could have gone straight there. The square root of 16 is 4, and the answer is 4 square root of 5. The fourth one was the square root of 32 plus 5 square root of 2. So again, I'm going to do a factor tree. 32 is 16 times 2. The square root of 16 is 4, so that's 4 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2. And now these simplify. 4 plus 5 is 9, so the answer is 9 square root of 2. And for the last one, we had the cube root of 128. Cube root means we're looking for groups of 3 now. So when we're thinking of factors of 128, let's see, that's going to be 4 and 32. And for 4, we're going to have 2 and 2. For 32, you could do 16 and 2. 16 is 2 and 8. 8 is 2 and 4. And 4 is 2 times 2. So this time we're looking for groups of 3. So there's a group of 3 2's. There's a group of 3 2's. And then there's going to be 1 2 left over. So for the first group of 2 gets out. For the second group of 2 gets out. And we're left with a 2. And remember, this was a cube root. So 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 4 cube root of 2. Okay, now you need to get out the handout that you were supposed to complete after the test on simplifying radicals, and we will go over that.